Dear students, today I am going to give you the answers of the poem The Legend of the Northland that is in your English textbook Beehive. Poemটো মই ইতিমধ্যে আগৰ এটা ভিডিঅ'ত আলোচনা কৰিলোঁ আৰু তাৰ লিংকটো এইটো ভিডিঅ'ৰ ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যনত দি দিছোঁ তোমালোকে লিংকত গৈ ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ল'বা আৰু ইংলিছৰ সকলো ভিডিঅ' পাই থাকিবৰ বাবে মোৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ল'বা First question to Swa, which country or countries do you think the Northland refers to? Answer, the Northland refers to the countries such as Greenland, the northern regions of Russia, Canada, Norway, etc. that are in the extreme north, just near the North Pole. These countries are extremely cold and days are short and nights are very long there. Question number 2. What did Saint Peter ask the old lady for? What was the lady's reaction? Answer. Saint Peter asked the old lady for a single cake from her store of cakes as he was very hungry. The lady was very selfish and did not give him any cake. Every time she baked a smaller cake, but it seemed larger to her and she could not give any of them to Saint Peter. Question number 3. How did he punish her? Answer. He punished her by changing her into a woodpecker to collect her food from the wood by boring deep into it. Question 4. How does the woodpecker get her food? Answer. The woodpecker gets her food by boring and boring dry and hard wood. Question 5. What is a legend? Why is this poem called a legend? Answer. A legend is an old traditional story. This poem is called a legend because it tells an old story of Northland which is about an old greedy woman who angered Saint Peter. This story is not based on reality but it gives us a moral. Question number 6. Give an account of the place Northland. Answer. The place Northland is at the North Pole. In this place, days are short and nights are very long in winter. People harness the swift reindeer to the sledges to travel on snow. The place is very cold, so people wear warm clothes. Question number 7. What is the means of transport here in Northland? Answer. The means of transport is sleighs drawn by reindeer. Question 8. To what animal does the poet compare the children? Answer. The poet compares the children to bear's cub. Question 9. Why did Saint Peter travel round the earth? Answer. Saint Peter traveled round the earth to preach the teachings of Jesus Christ. Question 10. What was the little woman doing? Answer. The little woman was making cakes and baking them on the fireplace. Question 11. What is a ballad? Give an example. Answer. A ballad is a song narrating a story in short stanzas. Ballads are a part of folk culture or popular culture and are passed on orally from one generation to the next. An example of a ballad is A Legend of the Northland. Question number 12. Who is the poet of the poem A Legend of the Northland? Answer. Phoebe Carey is the poet of the poem A Legend of the Northland. Question number 13. Choose the appropriate meaning of the underlined words from the choices given in brackets. ইয়াত কেইটামান word underline কৰি দিয়া হৈছে আৰু underline কৰি দিয়া word গিটাৰ meaningটো correct meaningটো এই bracketৰ ভিতৰত দিয়া word বা phraseৰ মাজৰ পৰা বাছি উলিয়াবলৈ কৈছে মই চাৰিটা তোমালোকক কৰি দিছো তোমালোকে হেগিটা চাই পেলাই ভালদৰে তাৰ meaningখিনি মুখস্থ কৰিবা ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল তোমালোকক আগৰ এক্সামৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰৰ পৰা এই কুৱেশ্যনসমূহ মই বাছি দি তোমালোকক এনসাৰসমূহ কৰাই দিছো তোমালোকে ভালদৰে পঢ়িবা আজিলৈ ইমানেই আছিল ভিডিঅটো চোৱাৰ বাবে ধন্যবাদ